Just came back. So today we have got around 2 kg fish. So today we're very lucky. My son, he is holding one of the biggest fish today we got. And my mom, she is drying fish. So we have enough fish to make a curry, so she's drying so we can keep it for longer time. This is my daily life in low season when there is no tourism. This is what I do, farming and fishing. Hi Kada, hi. My son is saying hi. Namaste. 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 Namaste.